Sir, 15 railway trains have been declared as the fastest train in the world. China comes first, other countries come next. Not even one of them is Indian. Is this not a disgrace to our country?
The train of Shanghai in China that travels as fast as 400 kilometers per hour, and the other 14 trains come next. It's true that no Indian train is included in the list. We must understand one thing. Nations are introvert and extrovert in thinking. If a nation is extrovert, it will be interested in outward discoveries, scientific advancement. If a nation is introvert, it will be worried about inward discoveries, about the spirit, about the soul, about the mind, and things like that. India is a nation which is most introvert in thinking. Indians have been interested in inward journey. They have been going very fast inwardly into the subtle secrets of nature, the subtle secrets of spirit, soul, mind, things like that. Whereas the rest of the world is interested in the advancement of outer nature. Such an interest naturally results in a taste for speed, an adventurous curiosity to know what is around us. That's why they want to travel to Mars, planet Venus, they want to go to moon, they want to know what is there. This adventurous spirit is because of that Rajasic thinking. It's an extroversial thinking. Indians were never for that. What is the advantage of introvert thinking? They have found out the secrets of happiness. Man can be happy in society and life if he limits his curiosity in knowing about the outer world. And I can take a challenge with anyone that the Indian society is the most peaceful society in the world. I would also say that Indian families are the happiest families in the world. Of course, with some exceptions. Because they were inward in thinking. They found out that happiness lies not in extending our discovery outwardly, but going inwardly. This establishing fastest train is an attainment of traffic, science and technology. But the people who are living in those countries, they are not as happy as Indians. India is more interested in peaceful life, happy life. Whereas other countries are interested in showing outward advancement to international scene.